Good morning, everyone. It's Rita here, and I'm going to do a drawing for the ephemera pieces that I made. There's 3 of them from the kit More Memories of the Meadow. That's Tanya at Tiny Treasures and Nanine at Collage Type. They collaborated to do this, and then several of us made different items for this project. So I was late in doing that because of my mom's passing, and I didn't get around to making them. And this isn't exactly what I think that Tanya had in mind, but I think it turned out cute, and it's amazing what you can do with a kit packet that you get. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have names here. And if you commented on both videos, because I had to do it in 2 videos, I put your name in twice, okay? And if your number is called and you've already won, I will recall another number, so 3 different people will get something, okay? So this is the first pocket here, and it's got this little flap right here. And then I put a belly band. And then inside there is a little notebook. And then this flips up. And there's journaling space back here. Hope you can see that. And then there's a little pocket with a little journal card in there. And they've all been sewed. I think I said in another video that I've been using dark gray. Or at least in comments. And I kind of like it. It's not as bold as black. It's not as light as, you know, your cream color, but it just gives it that extra little pop that I like. So this little card doesn't like to, didn't think of that at the time. You can add more embellishment. You can, you know, clip these corners. You can ink. I didn't do a lot of inking. And then this part normally would be glued to the back of your page. Or you could leave it open up at the top and put another tag in, or on the side, or this way, any way you want. All right, so let's see who gets that one. Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 23. Number 2. Eula. All right. She's all the way in Sweden, I think. All right, Eula. I think I have your address, so all I have to do is send it to you. Okay, this one here is a very simple one. It was just a pocket. Actually, let me take these out. There are 3 pockets here, and this is a little tuck area. So this I had for here, and then I think I had the taller one there. I don't remember. One in here and one in here. And again, that's one you can glue. You could leave the top open. Actually, I punched it so you would leave the top open on this one, and I think it already had the punch cut out in the kit, maybe. So this is the next one. Let's see who wins this one. Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 23. She takes her time. 11, which is Kathy at Nonstop Mom. All right, Kathy, I've got your address, so I can just send it out to you. All right, this is fun. I think I'm going to do a series of kits. I have a lot of them that are in my digitals, my files, and I never ever get around to making them. I just think they're so cute, and then I don't do it. So I may start doing that maybe once a week after things settle down here. Okay, so this one here is a flip. It's a little stiff. anyway, that's a flip there. And then we've got a little journal card here, and you can add more embellishment. This is a little side flip pocket, which in the kit, it shows you that it's a flip. But it didn't want to stay glued because I put washi tape on the inside of here so that it would have something pretty to, you know, to see when you open the pocket. And the glue, the PVA glue, didn't want to stick to it. I'm surprised, but it just didn't want to stick. So I just put the tiny, I want to say Tiny Tim, the Tim Holtz mini stapler, whatever he calls it. And I also rusted my staples. You can do that with some vinegar and peroxide. And you just dump them in there and let them turn, and then they work fine in the stapler itself. So here's another belly band, and then a journal card here. So you can put more things in here. You can embellish it, you know, that kind of thing. Let's see, in this one, I don't have a closure or anything on here, so you might want to put a tie around this. I don't think I have anything handy, but if I come up with something, it might be nice to put a tie behind there. Yeah, I don't. I'm just looking to see. How about if I just tie it with some white? Never done, are we? Never. I'm just going to tie this with white. I'm not going to, you know, I can't glue it because I don't know where you're going to put it. But if nothing else, you get a little bit of bias tape. This is actually vintage. And I bought this years ago. This can be coffee dyed, or you can dye it any color you want. I have not got into that, but I do want to try, oh, just undid it. I do want to try inks. I'm sure you guys can work that better. You know, to dye my ribbon with, if I can. Okay, so this is number 3, and I lost a nail already. I cannot get them. I got new glue coming. Okay, number 3. Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 23.
Here's a random number, 21.
21. Oh, Eula, you already won, so let's do another one. Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 23.
Here's a random number, 4.
Number 4, Candace. All right, and I've got her address. Okie doke, so that was fun, and all of you are my pretty much regular subscribers. If you see all these names, you'll recognize them, and I appreciate your support on my channel. And any new subscribers, I hope that you will start commenting and liking and subscribing. I don't usually ask people to do all that, but it is the only way that you can make any kind of money from this other than selling the journals, which is what I do. But you know, it's kind of nice. I actually just got a check from YouTube, which are far and few between, and so, you know, it was kind of like, oh wow, there's money in my account from YouTube. So it was exciting. Anyhow, it's enough to buy a few more supplies, because I buy way more supplies than I make in money doing this. But I love it, and you know, why not do it then? Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't know when that's going to be, but I'm hoping I can do a flip through here maybe this afternoon. No, I don't know if I can get it done this afternoon. you know, they just, the journals just keep going and going and going. And I can't, sometimes it's just so hard to stop. So, I'm going to bid you guys a good day, and I will see you soon. Bye.